Therapeutic ancient botanical blends. Ancient civilizations harnessed the power of plants long before modern science validated their efficacy. From the sacred temples of Egypt to the apothecaries of medieval Europe, these ancient botanical blends were crafted with precision, embodying centuries of herbal wisdom. Their formulas combined rare ingredients sourced from distant lands, each selected not only for its medicinal properties but also for its spiritual significance. These blends became integral to healing rituals and daily life across cultures. The origins of botanical wisdom. Human history is intertwined with nature's pharmacy, as early societies discovered plants' potential through observation and trial. Indigenous tribes in the Amazon rainforest, Ayurvedic sages in India, and Greek physicians alike documented remedies that would later influence global medicine. This collective knowledge formed the foundation of what we now call ethnobotany, the study of how people use plants. It reveals an intricate relationship between human health and environmental stewardship, emphasizing sustainability and respect for natural resources. Many ancient texts describe elaborate processes for preparing tinctures and poultices. The Ebers Papyrus, dating back to around 1550 BCE, contains over 700 prescriptions using herbs, minerals, and animal products. Cultural exchange played a crucial role in spreading botanical knowledge. Silk Road traders transported saffron from Persia, ginseng from China, and frankincense from Arabia, enriching medical traditions worldwide. Sacred formulas and spiritual healing. In many ancient cultures, healing was inseparable from spirituality. Priests, shamans, and healers blended physical treatments with ritualistic practices to address both body and soul. These ceremonies often involved incense burning, chanting, and symbolic gestures. Ingredients chosen for their aromatic qualities were believed to purify spaces and open pathways for divine intervention. Frankincense, used by Egyptian priests for purification rites and by Christians during prayer, this resin symbolized communication with the heavens. Patchouli, revered in Hinduism and Buddhism, it was used in meditation and temple offerings due to its grounding aroma. Rituals incorporated specific color symbolism tied to plant pigments. For instance, red ochre mixed with turmeric might be applied to signify vitality and protection against evil forces. Modern aromatherapy has roots in these ancient traditions. Essential oils derived from historical blends are still used today to promote emotional well-being and mental clarity. Botanical alchemy across continents. Different regions developed distinct approaches to blending herbs based on local flora and cultural philosophies. Chinese traditional medicine emphasized balance between yin and yang energies through carefully formulated decoctions. In contrast, Ayurveda categorized plants according to three doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, and created personalized remedies to restore harmony within individuals. Meanwhile, European alchemists pursued transmutation not just of metals but also of bodily humors. Their work laid groundwork for pharmacology while retaining mystical elements. Each civilization preserved unique methodologies passed down orally or recorded in manuscripts. The Codex Seraphinianus, though whimsical, reflects such enduring fascination with natural substances. Famous historical recipes rediscovered. Recent archaeological findings have unearthed intriguing evidence of sophisticated formulations once thought lost to time. In Pompeii, researchers found charred remains indicating complex mixtures used for therapeutic purposes. One notable discovery includes amphorae containing myrrh and cinnamon, ingredients known for anti-inflammatory properties, which suggests advanced understanding of disease treatment even in antiquity. Biblical references mention oil of spikenard being used for anointing, highlighting its esteemed status among various peoples. This practice continues in some religious ceremonies today. Such rediscoveries bridge gaps between past and present, allowing contemporary practitioners to appreciate ancestral techniques with renewed perspective. Making ancient blends accessible today despite their age, many ancient botanical blends remain relevant thanks to modern research validating traditional uses. Scientific studies increasingly support claims made by ancient herbalists regarding pain relief, immune enhancement, and stress reduction. herbalists today blend empirical data with intuitive methods when recreating historic recipes. They consider factors like potency, absorption rates, and synergistic effects between components. Artisanal producers experiment with fermentation techniques similar to those employed thousands of years ago, ensuring authenticity while adapting to current standards of safety and quality control. Online communities dedicated to reinterpreting old-world formulas provide platforms for sharing experiences, refining preparation methods, and discussing ethical sourcing of raw materials. Ethical considerations in reviving ancient practices. As interest grows in reviving traditional herbalism, ethical concerns arise regarding biodiversity conservation and fair trade practices. Overharvesting endangered species can threaten ecosystems globally. Responsible cultivation programs help maintain genetic diversity without depleting wild populations. These initiatives ensure future generations will continue benefiting from nature's gifts responsibly. Supporting indigenous-led cooperatives empowers communities whose ancestors pioneered these healing arts. Such partnerships honor original custodianship rather than appropriative commercialization. Educational efforts emphasize sustainable harvesting techniques taught by elder herbalists who carry forward oral traditions alongside written records. Personal journeys through timeless remedies. Many enthusiasts find personal meaning in reconnecting with ancestral knowledge systems. Crafting homemade infusions or salves becomes a meditative process echoing ancient rituals. Workshops teaching traditional distillation methods allow participants hands-on experience creating potent essences much like their predecessors did millennia ago. The act of blending herbs transforms into storytelling, an invitation to explore stories behind each leaf, root, and seed carried across continents through time. By embracing these timeless crafts, individuals participate actively in preserving living heritage rather than viewing them solely as relics of bygone eras. Conclusion: from the earliest days of humanity until today, botanical blends have served as bridges connecting us to our origins while offering solutions for contemporary challenges. Engaging with these ancient wisdoms doesn't require becoming historians or scientists, it simply involves opening oneself up to possibilities embedded in every petal and stem waiting patiently to share their secrets anew.